Common University Entrance Test for undergraduate programs, kelas Sdang negasngi kakhatlai tarik ujemang ha Icfai University Tura bat ha Nehu Tura campus Meghalaya. National Testing Agency NTA kelap penlong ya examen ha computer based test format banyai peteng haduk lai tarik ujelew. Kajing kentup ya Tura kum kajaka CUET test kalong kasin jam barat batam menpenti kena ya kalat banyo pulih haki jing pulih bakam syajrong nakabenta ki samla hajala Meghalaya. Kamtam gitu ki badai nakathan rilom garo nakani kasin jam ki kena kin om dan kamshu banlet chaki wepat ki jela banyale ya ki national level entrance exam ki kena pulih haba ajing crunch ki lat pathai kubor kila ong baka exam kolong ka bae hendrai ki persyang kat bala bantho ba.
I think the question is tough. I'll try to manage to answer it. Especially from the general test, most of them I didn't know how to answer. Because I took this exam physics, chemistry and general test, but the chemistry is quite not difficult compared to the physics and general test. So,
It was hard, but I think I did my best. Moreover, the accountancy paper was more tougher than other subjects. Still tough for me, but somehow I managed. But economics and accountancy are tough as compared to other subjects.